everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today we're going to have a special guest.
Hey, how's it going? Matt from Matt's Megabytes, and I thought we could recreate Jollibee's famous spaghetti. You like sweet spaghetti, right?
Here are the ingredients. 225 grams of spaghetti pasta, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 slice of minced ham, 150 grams of ground pork, 1 piece of beef hot dog, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, half cup of beef broth, and quarter onion, salt, pepper, and garlic powder to taste.
Chop the onion, the ham, and the beef hot dog. Cook the spaghetti pasta in a small pot. Once it's done, strain it and set aside. Heat the oil in a pot. Saute the onion in a frying pan. Add the ham and cook for 3 minutes. Mix in the pork slowly and cook again for another 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in the tomato sauce and beef broth. Stir and let it boil. Simmer it for 60 minutes. Then after, add the hot dogs and tomato paste. Stir and cook for 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Put in the sugar, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Stir until all the ingredients are mixed well together. Plate the spaghetti in sauce, and it's ready to serve. Definitely can smell the sugar, right?
Yes, I do.
Oof, yeah. And the hot dogs. I smell the hot dogs as well.
That's
right.
a lot of pork.
Yeah, a lot of pork. I swear when I ate Jollibee spaghetti, when I was actually at the location, it seems saucier.
Yeah.
So a lot of it does evaporate when you cook it, so
maybe we didn't.
obviously we didn't get the specific, or our recipe isn't going to be completely accurate.
It's sweet, but it's not that bad. I thought it was going to be worse.
No, it's pretty good, eh? The sugar, it makes it more addicting. Like every time you have a bit, you just want to get another forkful of this.
I kind of like sweet and salty mixed.
Yeah, it's got a bit of a sweet and savory mix to it. Overall, though, it's not bad, right? Yeah. You gotta try that. You're gonna try the real thing soon?
Maybe.
Like Jollibees? Yeah?
Yeah, I'd try it.
Yeah. No, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to stop eating this until it's completely done.
I'm also hungry, so maybe that's why.
Yeah, the hungrier you are, the better it is, right?
Thanks for watching. If you wanna see Matt's channel, I'm going to let in the description. I'm going to let in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and let in the comment if you already tried Jollibee spaghetti. And I see you next Thursday.